Hello woodworkers, we would like to introduce you to our Wadkin Bursgreen 300C panel saw, a superb value machine for small workshops. The footprint of this panel saw is 3.8 metres overall width by 2.97 metres total length. This is the main control panel, the saw start, the saw stop, the emergency stop button and the digital readout screen showing the tilt angle of the blade. 1.6 metre sliding table allows you to cross-cut a 1.5 metre length board. The sliding table has a full-length travel of 3.8 metres. The outrigger fence has 2 flip stops. That means you can easily adjust depending on the measurement you require. It has a telescopic fence extendable to 2.45 metres with the option to cut angles. On the rear of the machine, it is fitted with the extension table. The rip fence assembly is movable left and right to suit your cutting dimensions. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, please click on the link below. This is AMS, your woodworking service company.